How's this baby?
Go, 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 go. Sleepy, sleepy.
Hi, Mila Boo. Mila. Hi, baby.
You know, this is just.
Wow. Moon socks. You ran under the pool twice.
The thing fell out.
I know. In a survival situation, the shark would have killed you.
Well, I mean, there would be supplies laid out for me in this river.
Here, how about I can be shark and you
Yeah.
can be survivor.
Yeah, I can be the survivor.
I just have to go make sure this bucket got ruined off over.
Yeah, put the bucket back.
Ow.
One, two, three.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, right?
It's like really strong now.
Hi, baby.
Say hello, Indian man.
Hello. Let's go and laugh.
Those blowers. Or Benson. Oh, you guys. Move it this way. No, get this way. No, get here. Stop cheating. I wasn't cheating. He was cheating. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. That time I actually didn't cheat.
He admitted, though. That means he admitted. That time I didn't.
It's Cat Boy. Hi, Cat Boy. Woo! Hey, Cat Boy. Woo! Oh, I see you. No, that's not. Okay. That time I didn't cheat.
That's just admitting you're cheating.
Yeah.
You're trying to drop suspicion to make sure people don't think you cheated, but you actually cheated.
Yeah,
Yay! All right, good job, man. Ready? Yeah!
I didn't do it perfectly.
2, 1, yay!
Very good. Go clean. Try again. Try not to touch the tube with your legs, okay? Like, try to go.
I'm a predator. Why so I can eat turtles?
You're a water bug?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, then what am I? I should be another prey because you're in good.
No, I'm a shark.
Oh, God. Okay. Why would a shark eat a water bug? What should I be?
I'm gonna eat you.
What should I be? Then I'm a squid.
You're wedding.
Then I guess I'm a squid. What should I be? How about your nice, cute, a nice, cute octopus. Means an octopus.
Oh my god. I'm trying to go in here very slowly. You know who isn't helping? Those two. Bro, no. I'm trying to go in slowly. These two aren't helping.
Your chicken, Lassie.
Hey! No! No! I'm going in slowly!
Lars, chicken out.
Try to do it slowly!
Oh, God.
Lars, your turn. Lars, your turn.
No! Hurts your body when your temperature turns really fast.
No, you better just jump in because, you know, it's better like that. If you keep trying to go in like that, you will never get in.
Oh! And, wait for it! And, I'm going.
Drop clock. Ice. Lars is chicken out.
Feet, and I've barely been in.
Yeah, it's
I gotta try again.
It's like polar bear cold.
Well, think about that. At the bay, I mean, in the winter, in the middle of the winter, they go swim in the ocean. What do you call that, honey? That was.
It's called the polar bear plunge.
Yeah.
I just said.
Get in, Ron. I'm gonna beat Brett. I'm gonna beat Finn's record. Oh no! Okay.
1, 2.
I can't do it. I'm too scared.
We got the towel ready for you.
Yeah, I got the big towel ready.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Jump! Jump!
Appy is watching too.